Hey everyone, Noah Frank here with the Driver's Market. Today I am showing you for the first time the latch lock, and we're going to be doing a demonstration of how it works in an install video here on my 1979 Hilux pickup. But this also works for Tacomas and T100s, everything from 1979, of course, which is this truck, all the way up until about 2000. So this is a fully CNC machined 6061 T6 with stainless hardware locking latch for the sliding rear window. Okay, so the typical Toyota rear window sliding latch has two major issues. Number one is they're made out of plastic and they break all the time. In fact, this one is the second one I've had on this window since I've owned this pickup. And the other thing is that it's only held in with friction. So it's a well-known thing that people can get into these windows fairly easily. The latch lock avoids both of those by, one, being machined out of CNC 6061 T6 aluminum, and two, actually locking the window. So let me get this old latch off and then I'll show you how we install the new one. All right, begin by removing the rubber gasket from the factory latch and applying it to the rear piece that accepts the machine screws on the latch lock. Using the provided stainless steel hardware, go ahead and install the latch lock in the orientation that you see it here. You want the shark fin portion on the passenger side and you want the pivot on the driver's side. Again, we're using the factory gasket in this instance, but if you do have a different gasket material that you'd like to use, now's the time to apply it. When you install these onto the window, make sure that you don't over tighten, as the stainless steel hardware is stronger than the 6061 T6 aluminum that it's going into, and you don't want to strip those. So be careful when you're tightening to not over tighten, and you also want to take note to not damage the window or the frame. The lock portion of this consists of two parts: the pivot, which is in the lower right hand side, and the actual lock, which is now at the top. The lock is a knurled thumb screw that can be used to tension the window shut as well as create the lock itself. Installing the lock onto the pivot is simple. Line them up and use the provided shoulder bolt, typically with a touch of blue Loctite, to mount the lock onto the pivot. Now you can lock the window by moving the pivot all the way over and tensioning into the lock. Your window is now completely locked. The latch lock is shipped as machined, which is a brushed pattern. They are easily painted, and they will be shipped with all hardware included.